This is Sean. Are you interested in making money with AI? Well, today I'm going to share with you 6 fun ways and easy businesses that can help teens make or earn $800 a day or more working from home. First up, we have creating and selling contracts using freelance websites. This means that you can use AI to help you write contracts for people who need them. You can set up an account on a freelancer website and list your services. When someone needs a contract, they can give you the details and you can use AI to create a well written contract for them. You can then sell the contract to the client and make money. Next, we have creating a blog with the help of AI. You can use AI to write blog posts about things that interest you, like your favorite hobbies or activities. You can then make money by getting sponsors or affiliates to advertise on your blog. The third idea is digital dropshipping. This means that you can use AI to create digital products like guides or courses and then sell them online. This is a great way to make money without having to worry about shipping or anything like that. Fourth idea I got for you is doing people's homework with AI. Did you know that some people will pay you to help them with their schoolwork? You can use AI to help answer questions or solve problems for them and make money at the same time using ChatGPT. The fifth idea is YouTube automation. You can use AI to create videos and post them on YouTube to make money. You can make videos about anything you like, from gaming to cooking and do it yourself projects, whatever hits your fantasy. Last but not least, we have creating an AI chatbot. You can use AI to create a chatbot that can help people with their problems. For example, you create a chatbot that helps people order pizza or answer questions about a specific topic. This is a great way to use AI to help people and make money at the same time. All of these ideas are easy and they fun and they can help you make lots of money with AI. Gone are the days of going to have to get the part-time job for the teenagers, man. No more Burger King jobs, no more McDonald's jobs, no more working at the mall. They can make money from the palm of their hand, their phone, or simply in their laptop, where they're home safe, no more standing at the bus stops, no more these kids getting off work late at night and then having to get up early in the morning to go to school. They can make money simply from their house, the comfort of their home, right from the palm of their hand. They can still have a life. They can still get their homework done. They can still get their projects done. And the parents take the ease and burden off of them, right? It works for everybody by simply learning how to use Chat GPT to do all of these ideas and using your brain. Just remember to be creative and have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I hope I inspired you to look at things differently and how the world is changing. Have a great day.